to 2021. We are gonna start out this year with another Mr. Mrs. box unboxing. This is my 5th box. Don't judge anything around me because we have not taken down our Christmas decorations yet, but we are gonna dive into this. For those of you who don't know what a Mr. Mrs. box is, it is a box that is sent to you depending on your wedding date. You put that in before you get your subscription. As many times as it, I guess, offers up. I think it's 50 bucks a month, or 50 bucks a box, not a month. And it has different themes. It's really easy to find coupon codes. I think I got half off my first one. I'll put the link below in the description box so you guys can go straight to it. And I won't keep chatting, but I wanted to give you guys a quick little rundown of what it was and what box we're on. So we'll get going and we'll get this thing open. So to start off this box, what's right on top is this bride-to-be party sash. It actually is open at the bottom and you use this pin to close it. So I'm not gonna take it out just because I don't want to have to fold it and put it back in there, but you can see it's bride-to-be. It's that shiny rose gold look, and it has this pin with like little pearls on it. It's actually really pretty. This will be fun for like a bridal shower or for a bachelorette party. So the first thing in the 5th Mr. Mrs. box I've gotten is this bride-to-be sash with pin. So the second thing in the 5th Mr. Mrs. box is this 2-tier party veil, white satin trim and hair comb. So it's a little bit squished, but I'm assuming you could probably take like a steamer or something to it and fluff it out a little bit. But you can see it has that satin trim like it said, and it's mesh on the inside. I have my hair half up, but we'll give it a shot with putting it in my hair so we can see what it looks like on. So it probably looks weird because I have it over my little ponytail thing, but that's the only way I can get it to work. So there's the cute little 2-tiered veil. And it probably won't have hair over it if you wear it, but like I said, my hair's half up, so that's where we're at. So the second thing in this Mr. Mrs. box is your 2-tier party veil. I'm gonna take it off. Alright, so next up in this box are these, they call them gold foil party straws. They're rose gold, but they are foil straws, and they're polka dot, chevron, and it looks like a solid gold or rose gold pattern. Give you a quick little close up. There's, I think, 25 of them I counted, somewhere around there, 24 or 25, so I'll show you guys what they look like close. So there are the rose gold foil straws. Like I said, they say gold on the paper. They are actually rose gold. So the third thing in your Mr. Mrs. box are these rose gold pattern party straws. The fourth thing in your Mr. Mrs. box are these bride-to-be balloons. These are also rose gold. These do actually say rose gold, unlike the straws did, but this will be fun for like a bachelorette party, bridal party, anything like that. So the fourth thing in your box are these rose gold bride-to-be balloons. So the fifth thing in this box are these confetti cannons. They say snap, pop, cheer. Could be fun for a picture, honestly. Pop one of these for a picture, and it says it releases colorful confetti on the back. So I'm excited to try these out. And that is the 5th thing in your Mr. Mrs. box. So the 6th thing in your box are these Bride Tribe temporary tattoos. They are shiny. I read the sheet and it does say they have holographic ones, but I'm not gonna pull them out one by one. I'll show you guys a close-up of this gold one. It has a pineapple on it, which I'm excited about because I love pineapples. So I'll show you a close-up of this temporary tattoo. So there is the Bride Tribe temporary tattoo. Like I said, this one is gold. There is a whole bunch. I don't know how many are in there, but pretty cool. So the 6th thing in your box are these Bride Tribe temporary tattoos. So the second to last thing in your box are these photo props. There's a whole bunch in them. So let me show you guys some of what are in here. They come with a ring, a champagne bottle, bride-to-be glasses, little heart glasses, one that says Mr. Mrs., the speech bubble, lips, lipstick, hashtag selfie. This looks like a cute little champagne glass. Oh, I said champagne bottle, so champagne glass. And then Team Bride. That is the second to last thing that comes in this Mr. Mrs. box. And I dropped one, so I'm gonna put these away. All right, and the last thing in the Mr. Mrs. box is this Happily Ever After cake topper. This one is actually gold. I would love the bride-to-be, the bride-to-be balloons to match the Happily Ever After cake topper, so you could use them at the same event. I mean, I guess you still can, but I would love all gold or all rose gold. That's my only complaint about this, but it's a really cute cake topper. It's very heavy duty. It's acrylic. Love this. Might use it, might not, but this is the last thing in the Mr. Mrs. box. This is Happily Ever After cake topper. So that is everything that came in my 5th Miss to Mrs. box. I do believe I get 8, so mine come every couple of months. Again, I will put the link to purchase or to subscribe below in the description box. Very excited for this one. It came a little early because we're not planning on doing any bridal shower or bachelorette party until, because we're getting married in August, until probably May at the very, very, very earliest, and it is January. So I'm curious to see what comes next month. I don't know if this is just for planning purposes or what, but curious to see what comes next month. So if you enjoyed this unboxing, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below, and I will see you guys with the next video or with the next unboxing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.